Hi, I'm Margaret from Heidi and Lana. Today I'm going to show you how to do the make knot stitch. So to begin here, I'm just going to knit in a couple stitches from the end of my row, and then I'll demonstrate the make knot stitch over the next 3 stitches. So if your yarn's in the back, you need to bring it to the front in between your 2 needle tips so that you're ready to purl. Now we're going to go into the front leg of these next 3 stitches as if to purl. Wrap our yarn just like a purl 2 together, only it's 3. And then instead of sliding the old stitches off, we're going to leave them on the needle, take our yarn to the back in between the needle tips, and then go into those same 3 stitches under the front leg of all 3. Wrap our yarn and knit them together, then leave the old stitches on the needle again. Bring your yarn to the front in between the needle tips, and I'm just bringing it right in between there. And then you're going to purl those same 3 stitches together. And now you can slide the old stitches off the needle. So we didn't increase or decrease any stitches. There's still 3 stitches where the old 3 stitches were. Let's go ahead and do it again. So our yarn is already in the front here, so we can leave it there. And we're going to go under the front leg of the next 3 stitches, and we're going to purl those 3 together, leave the old stitches on, take our yarn to the back in between the needle tips, and then we're going to knit those 3 stitches together, leave the old stitches on the needle, bring our yarn to the front in between the 2 needle tips, and we're going to purl those 3 stitches together again, and then slide our old stitches off. That's how you do the make knot stitch. You can find me on Ravelry, Instagram, and Facebook, all under Heidi and Lana. Happy knitting!